Pero parang he is not the proper party to say it. First, he is not a law student. Second, he is not a law professor. Yung sad feeling kasi, personal yan. Now, nakakatawa kasi yung comment niya, may nagko-comment na who happens to be my student in Constitutional Law 1, Law 2, and Constitutional Law Review. Sabi niya, hindi naman kami sad. So, at saka kita mo yung mga comments doon, talagang adverse sa kanya. Hindi naman pwede yung ganon kasi kung i-insist yung theory niya, siya din pwede rin ma-accuse ng legislative overreach. Yung judicial overreach kasi, kuan yan subjective yan. Depende yan kung ayaw mo yung ginagawa ng Supreme Court na ang Supreme Court ay final arbiter of all constitutional issues. Kasi pag wala tayong arbiter, kanya-kanya tayong interpretasyon, maging anarchy yung ating bansa. Kaya may stabilizer dito. Ito yung iyan ang role ng Supreme Court. Kaya nga, the supremacy of the Constitution ay ginagampanan niya ng Supreme Court. Kaya nga, when the Supreme Court will allocate and mediate constitutional boundaries, what it asserts is not its own superiority, but what it asserts is the supremacy of the Constitution. Sila yung guardian ng Constitution. So, yun ang interpretasyon nila. Ngayon, with all due respect, si Soto is my fraternity brother, Brother Mason yan. Masabi ko lang, parang off-tangent yung sabihin niya na sad day kasi he has never been a law student and he has never been a law professor.